The Tourism Enhancement Fund is accepting applications for its annual Christmas in July trade show. Manufacturers and artisans interested in participating have until May 25 to submit their applications. The application form can be accessed on the Tourism Enhancement Fund's website. The event is an opportunity for local producers of gifts and souvenir items to promote their products to alternative market segments. Director of Tourism Linkages Network, Carolyn McDonald-Riley, says products can be from the category of desktop solutions, aromatherapy and spa, decor, fashion, fine art, souvenir and jewelry, food, as well as items made from organic and natural fibers. She notes that in selecting participants for the trade show, consideration is being given to design and aesthetics, labeling and tag, pricing, product relevance, existing market outlets, durability, construction, packaging and accessories, functionality, cultural connection, and product spectrum.